Welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to telnet to remote IP address with Microsoft Excel. Telnet is not installed by default on Windows. Choose Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Select the Telnet Client option. Click OK. A dialog box appears to confirm installation. The telnet command should now be available. Next, copy telnet.exe from system32 and paste it in syswow64 directory. I have created an Excel file with the above content. Next, following this command to open command prompt. You save it with the XLSM extension. Next, telnet to remote IP address. Then, create a button to execute the telnet command. If you have multiple devices with multiple IP addresses, then continue as above. In addition, you can also add username and passwords. So the job is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.